Excel Explorers, Module 1, What is Excel? Hi, I'm Cindy. Welcome to Excel Explorers. Excel is a tool grown-ups call a spreadsheet, but I call it the world's coolest grid of boxes. Schools use it, football coaches use it, even your favorite YouTuber uses it. This is what Excel looks like. Boxes everywhere. And each one is called a cell. We can type words, numbers, or even build mini calculators. Today, I'll just type my favorite things into a list. Why do people love Excel? 3 reasons. It saves time, it does the math for you, and it turns boring numbers into colorful charts you can show off. Mini project. Open Excel, type your name in cell A1, and list your 5 favorite things going down. Save it. That's your very first workbook. Next up, we'll explore the Excel screen and find every secret button on it. See you there.